Hi people, welcome. We're back at the bungalow for a little while. The bungalow renovation project is virtually complete really. I thought I'd give you a tour of the ensuite, which is now complete. Take a little look at these pictures and photographs I took my camera when my son was doing it, and then we'll pop in and have a look at the finished product. There'll probably be a few more videos coming up in the future. There's a few bits to do in the utility room, and the garden needs landscaping around the back, which will be a project in a couple of months' time, I suppose. But so far, all that needs to be doing now is the utility room. My sons have moved in now pretty much, so they don't really want to spy around the house. But let's go and have a little look in the ensuite of the bathroom. It's done a really nice job and it's finished now, so let's pop in now, shall we? We've got two switches, one of the extractor on the outside of the room for health and safety reasons, and a switch there for the light. So flick the light on, let's have a little look. There we go, lovely job. Excuse me in the mirror. Let's open this door up. So I say this is the ensuite, so it's quite a small, compact room, but really nice. Floating unit there. I think it's got a light up mirror here. Mirror lights up there. There's a switch at the bottom, the button there. And then you got the shower head up there. Extractor. You've got your spotlights. It's all caulked in and finished to a high standard actually. Got these areas here for storage. Lovely shower tray there. And it's bought this screen especially for that shower tray. Just fits in lovely. And then there's another niche here. And the toilet has got one of these fancy back plates. Really done to a high standard. I think it's done a good job. There you go. Yeah, the radiator here I've just been told is dual fuel, so it's on central heating and it's also electric as well, so you can pick and choose what you want to do depending on the time of year, whether you're heating or not. So it's a nice bit of kit. It's wired in through the socket there, but it's also got, that's hot actually at the moment, that's got some hot water in it as well. Lovely bit of kit, it's nice. That's a really nice job he's done here. Finish off with the chrome. Really nice job, nice and neat and tidy. Two drawers there. And the mirror. He's also got a mirror. You open the mirror up, you've also got, it lights up on the inside as well, and you've got a mirror on the alcove as well. It's embedded into the wall. A really nice bit of kit that. Lovely, look, all lights are up around the edge. That is it people, that's the ensuite of the bedroom done. Really nice quality job actually, it's done a nice job, really nice job. Next job, I think it's starting to do wardrobes, packs wardrobes in the bedroom with lights, and then I think it's going to do the utility room. Yeah, while we're here, might as well show you the utility room under construction. Just put a worktop in there and some shelving, lovely appliances. That's it, people. Thank you for watching. That's the ensuite finished and complete in that main bedroom. The other bathroom you've already seen, I think, in other videos. They've just got to finish off with the utility room, and then I think once the property's complete, I'll give you a little tour of them allowed, because they're moved in now, so I don't want people nosing around really. But they've got the table and chairs in there, furniture in the lounge, etc. TV up on the wall now. It's looking really, really nice. TV unit coming in a few days' time. I'll tell you what I'll do. The next video, I think, will be the last video when the garden's landscaping and patio's done in the back garden. Then we'll have a full tour then. Then maybe we'll see how much it's going to be valued at. Thank you for watching this series of videos, and I'll see you again. Please like, subscribe for many more coming up. Thank you. Bye bye.